Hey guys, today in this video, I'll tell you all about cloud storage versus physical servers. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Have you ever wondered if cloud storage or physical storage, such as external hard drives, is better for digital preservation? Well, you're not alone. With so many options out there, it can be hard to decide which one is right for you. In this video, we're going to take a look at the pros and cons of each option and discover which one is best for your different digital preservation needs. So, let's explore together. Physical storage can include hard drives, flash drives, and even CDs. It is a popular choice for many people. One of the biggest advantages of physical storage is that you have complete control over your data. You don't have to rely on an internet connection to access your files, and you don't have to worry about a company going out of business and taking your data with them. However, physical storage devices can be lost, stolen, or damaged, which can result in permanent data loss. External hard drives are portable devices that can be connected to a computer through a USB, a SATA, a FireWire connection, or wirelessly. eSATA stands for External Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. It is a variation of the SATA interface that enables the connection of external storage devices to a computer using a SATA port. It is an industry standard for controlling the various hardware used to connect external storage devices and competes with some other interfaces. Hard drives offer several advantages such as lower cost per gigabyte, more storage space, ease of use, portability, easy replacement, and fast speed. They're ideal for backup purposes and are compatible with different operating systems. External hard drives have high storage capacities ranging from 2 GB to 4 TB and can be easily rotated and expanded. However, they have similar data loss risks as internal hard drives are susceptible to viruses and do not usually come with passwords. Some popular external hard drive options include Seagate and Western Digital. These devices come in both desktop and portable varieties. Hard disk drives use magnetically sensitive platters, which are moved by a motor, while solid-state drives use interconnected flash memory chips without any moving parts. Hard drives are less expensive for larger storage capacity, but they are heavier and less durable than solid-state drives. SSDs are faster, more durable, and use less energy since they have no moving parts, but they are more expensive and have limited write cycles. Both HDDs and SSDs have their respective benefits and drawbacks, and the choice between them depends on the intended use and budget. On the other hand, cloud storage has become increasingly popular in recent years. With cloud storage, your data is stored on a remote server that you can access from anywhere with an internet connection. This means that you don't have to worry about losing your physical storage device, and your data is protected from theft and damage. Many cloud storage providers also offer automatic backups and syncing, which can help protect against data loss. However, there are some downsides to cloud storage. The biggest concern for many people is security. When you store your data on a remote server, you are relying on the security measures put in place by the cloud storage provider. If their security is compromised, your data could be at risk. Additionally, many cloud storage providers charge monthly or annual fees, which can add up over time. There are several popular cloud storage options available, and each offers different features and pricing plans. Here are some of the most commonly used cloud storage providers. Google Drive is a widely used cloud storage service that offers 15 gigabytes of free storage space. It integrates seamlessly with other Google services like Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Additional storage can be purchased at different pricing tiers. Dropbox is another popular cloud storage provider known for its user-friendly interface and file syncing capabilities. It offers a free basic plan with 2 GB of storage, but paid plans with higher storage capacities are also available. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage solution, which comes integrated with the Windows operating system and Microsoft Suite. It offers 5 GB of free storage, and additional storage can be purchased as part of the Microsoft 365 subscription or standalone plans. Amazon's Simple Storage service is also a highly scalable cloud storage solution provided by Amazon Web Services. It is designed for developers and businesses needing high-performance storage with customizable features and robust security options. iCloud is Apple's cloud storage service, primarily designed for Apple device users. It offers seamless integration with Mac OS, iOS, Apple apps, and provides 5 GB of free storage. Again, additional storage can be purchased at various tiers. Mega is also another cloud service provider and offers a generous free plan with 20 GB of storage with various paid plans. These are just a few examples of cloud storage providers available in the market. Each provider has its own unique features, pricing structures, and target audiences. When choosing a cloud storage option, it's essential to consider factors such as storage capacity, security measures, collaboration features, ease of use, and integration with other applications that you may rely on. So, what is the best for digital preservation? The truth is that there's not a single size that fits all answers. Both physical storage and cloud storage have their pros and cons, and the best option for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you value complete control over your data and don't mind the risk of loss or damage, then physical storage may be the way to go. If you want the convenience and security of cloud storage and don't mind paying a monthly fee, then cloud storage may be the better choice. Ultimately, the most important thing is to make sure that your data is backed up and protected, no matter which storage option you choose. So that's basically all about cloud storage versus physical servers. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.